Welcome back to English Power Hour. Hi, my name is Shelley, and today we're going to learn about the difference between smash and crash. So let's get right to it. In this video, I will teach you how to use the two words smash and crash so that you can use them easily and fluently. Smash and crash can be used in many different ways. For example, we can use smash as a noun. As a noun, it is the sound of a violent impact or a violent striking together. For example, I could hear the screech of brakes and then the horrible smash of cars colliding. And we can also use smash as colloquial, something that means to be very successful. For example, the new TV show is sure to be a big smash. We also use smash as a verb, meaning to break something violently. For example, the vase fell and smashed into many pieces on the floor. Now let's move on to crash. Crash can be used as a noun, and also as a noun it means a violent collision, typically of one vehicle with another or with an object. For example, the pilot and all the passengers survived the plane crash. And just like smash, crash can also be used as a verb. When we use crash as a verb, it means the action of having an accident in a vehicle, a plane, etc. by violently hitting something else. For example, two planes crashed with each other in midair. Okay, my wonderful students, I hope that I was able to teach you how to use smash and crash correctly for your next English conversation. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I really do appreciate it. So have a great day, my lovely students, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao, my friends! Bye!